Good morning, friends. Today there is a debate. So students are so excited. How much you are excited for doing the debate? Very good. So before speaking anything or before just having them do the debate, I would like to just introduce the topic. Topic is cashless economy is good for our country or not. Clear? This team is in favor of cashless economy is good, or this team is in favor of cashless economy is bad. So now we are just about to start the debate. Before the debate gets started, first of all, I would like each and every person introduce themselves. So yes, Chetan, go ahead.
So very glorious morning to everyone. This is Chetan Thakur sitting here. I'm from Delhi University and well done.
Yes.
Yeah, a very glorious good morning to all my companions present here. My name is Aisha Khan and today we are here for doing a debate. Recently I just completed my graduation in BA program from Delhi University. Thank you.
Yes.
Hello guys, good morning. I'm Kamesh. I belong from Tamil Nadu. At
I
present
belong to.
I belong to Tamil Nadu. At present, I'm staying in Delhi. I'm pursuing BBA second year. Thank you.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Gupta. I live at Sangam Vihar in the South Valley. I have completed my graduation from Delhi University. Currently, I am working in a MetLife as a TLMIS. That's all.
Yes.
Hello everyone, I hope you are doing so well. I am Manish Kumar and I live in Delhi and I am pursuing for my BTech from the Delhi Technical Campus.
Hello everyone, my name is Mani Bhushan. I live at Sangam Vihar and I am working as a MIS in Paisa.
Yes.
A very grateful good morning to all of you. I am Mohit Padia and I am from Delhi.
Hello guys, my name is Chetna and I am working in international NGO and I am a student of Glorious Institute.
So we are about to start the debate. Viewers, you are also going to be intrigued while watching this debate. Please keep watching until this video gets finished. So we are going to start the debate from Chetan. Yes, Chetan, go ahead.
Okay. So very glorious morning to everyone, to my opponents. So today we are in the favor of digital economy. It's good. So I'm gonna start. So I would love to put some lights on the facts. As you can see that the first I would love to explain what is digital economy. So digital economy is like a kind of a thing when the cash is very less in a country and everything, the whatever you're doing, whatever you're purchasing, whatever you're buying, when you're going, so your fare, everything is gonna digital. So what are the boon of this? So I'm going to explain all of this. So I would love to tell you that I would love to start from the India. So as you can see that nowadays in the India the crime cases are being increased because of the cases. You must have seen many of the people they're carrying cash and they just get snatched, they just get robbed. And also you must have seen on the highways robbery. The people they stop the vehicle, they just snatch all of the things, the cash, whatever they are having. This is happening because of the cash. When the digital economy will be there, so cash will be in the digital. No one will be able to steal. No one will be able to just put their eyes on your money, on your wallet also. And also you would see that what are the boons of it. Also by going on a cashless economy, government will have so much benefits. As you can see that you must have seen many of the terrorist attacks. They are happening. Why this is happening? From where they are getting money for buying the weapons, for buying the bombs, for buying the bombs. So they are having all this thing from the hawalas. All these things and buy the money and they are getting money from the hawalas. All this thing, the illegal activities. All these things, activities, criminal activities happens because of the tax. Because of the cash. When cash will not be there, so the criminal activity will be stopped totally.
Very good. Well done, Chetan. Yes, you started. Yes, Chetna, go ahead.
Okay, so first of all, hello guys. So as we know that India has always been a cash-based economy, but just because of the demonetization, people pushed opt for the cashless transaction. So here I don't see eye to eye with this statement that we should use the cashless economy because I have some points I would like to introduce my points by which you can easily understand why we should not use the cashless transaction. So here is no doubt that if you will use you use the cashless economy, so in twinkling of an eye, just by clicking a button, you can easily do the payments and you can easily receive your all amounts. But there is one thing also, that this advantage which will lead you to do the overspending, because if you have the anything and you don't
If you
need
have
to
anything.
if you have anything and you don't need to go physically there, so just by being sitting at your home you can do easily anything, right? So if you will do the overspending there. Another point I have, that is the lower literacy rate. As we know that in India we have the rural population where the most of people who is illiterate. So
Who are illiterate.
so they will take a lots of time to understand this new technology also, and if they will not understand, it means they will rely on some other person, and then another person can play fast and lose with their money also. Rely. And that another person can fast and play with their money also and with their future also. Another
Fast
point,
and lose.
Fast and lose, yeah. And another point I would like to introduce, that is that the rural areas people who is not that much rural areas people who is not that much capable also for understanding, who are not that much capable for understanding this, and who is not that much opulent also, because if you will use the cashless economy, it means you should have your own devices, and purchasing is this own device, it means you have to spend some money, and this will become a costly for you, and you have to pay the huge amount for purchasing that device. Another point I would like to introduce, that if you will use the cashless economy, it means, for example, if
इसके साथ मिल नहीं आता है, ध्यान रखना, बार-बार रिपीट ना हो ये चीज. Yes, next, Kamesh.
Hello guys, you all know me very well. So today I am going to in favor of the digital mode. According to me, that I am going to say advantage of digital mode. If the digital mode going to be leaders, means our country going to called as a developed country. You all know that nowadays the businessmen are not paying the tax properly, because the cash is playing the crucial role, so that only they are not paying a proper tax. If the digital mode going to lead us, means everyone want to pay a proper tax, because the government can access their data and everything. After that, if the digital mode going to be there, means the crime cases, violent crime cases going to be less. After that, nowadays we are not using the 25 and 50 paise, so that Insta there we are paying 1 rupees. If the digital mode going to be there, means we can able to pay 10 paise, 1 paise, whatever you want.
We can make the payment.
We can make the payment, whatever you want to pay, you can pay that. So that because of the digital mode, we can reduce the spare charges. Okay. After that, we have some proof also. If you are going to pay to anyone, means we have some proof. It is a soft proof. After that, I am going to say that. After that, I am going to say, if the
That's it. Well done. Yes, Manish. Go ahead.
Aesthetic and vicious morning to all of you when all presented here and respected sir. As I am in the favor of as I am in the against for the cashless economy, I would like to put on my points. Firstly,
Put my points.
Firstly, security and privacy issues. If this cashless economy is going to be there in India, then the thieves are also going to be advanced, so that they can hack your money, they can do phishing and data breaching, which can lead to the very major role of the economy, which can go downwards. And the second point I would like to put on, that lack of digital literacy. Everybody doesn't have the knowledge of paying by the mobiles, or 67% of the people in India doesn't have a smartphone because of the poverty, and 35% of the population doesn't know that how to make a call even. Then how can India can go cashless? Because if they don't even know that how to make a call, how can they pay through mobiles? The third point, scalable structure. If we are talking about the cashless economy, we have to first plant some POS terminals, and we have to increase our internet connectivity also, which can lead or harm to our birds, and which can harm us also, because it produces very harmful radiation and inimical radiation. Fourth point I would like to put, that is resistance to change. as we are living in India, it is we generally follow our culture, and in culture we do really respect to our elders, and as they
Respect
are
our elders.
to our current, and as we 13% of the Indians are older, though we cannot assure the India that
It's not India.
older people can use can go cashless because as they are living.
Yes, Pankaj, your time starts now.
So again, hello everyone. So I would like to give an answer, and according to my perspective, you were saying that cashless economics is not good. So I would like to say that it's a good. You are saying that if lots of people they use cashless, so they thief your data easily. So I would like to say that if there is a cash at your home, so there is a possibility to there is
If they
a
are not
possibility.
going to use cash.
Sorry.
If they are not going to use cash,
If
if
they are
cashless economy is going to be there,
if cashless economy is going to there, so means if there is a cash,
through digital mode, payment is just going to be made. Continue.
so if there is a cash, and so there is a possibility who can get your money, like he can stolen your money. So we can't say that only by the digitalize we can get your money.
चलो कोई नहीं, वो confidence. Yes, next. Money.
Yeah, hello everyone. I am favor of cashless is bad.
In the favor of.
In the favor of cashless is bad, but there is a good point also, like is we are free from cash. Okay, we are using cashless. So yes, I agree that it is make payment by mobile or like by internet. But there is also some bad things, like if we are updating our documents there, so they can hack. Okay, they can easily have our identity from there.
They can
and
easily steal.
steal.
Steals.
They can easily steal our identity from internet. Okay, like you all are saying that if we are not using our cash, nobody can steal our money. Okay, if we are using by digital cash, we have already given our money to other platform. They can easily tap our money from there by hacking. So thank you.
Well done. Aisha.
So good morning to all my friends present here. My name is Aisha, and today I am in the favor of cashless money. It's good for us. So first of all, I would like to
Cashless economy.
cashless economy is good for us. So I would like to explain my views a little bit here. First of all, before jumping on the topic, we should understand that what is cashless economy. Okay, so I would like to explain a little bit with the help of a short introduction. So cashless economy is that where transactions are done by using the digital methods instead of money. We can say it is a bold step of the government to wipe out 80% cash in the India.
In India.
So what is the purpose of cashless economy here? The purpose is cashless economy is that to control the illegal thing or illegal money, we can say. So we can find the cashless economy in Denmark, Sweden and Norway as well as. So first of all, I would like to say some points of why we should use the cashless economy. First of all, the payment we know that if the cashless economy would be there, so payment would be easy. Like if we want to do any payment, if we want to make any payment anywhere, so we can do the payment by helping on our mobile phone. We don't need to carry any wallet or something like that. We just have the mobile phone in our hand, and by the
We
help
should
of-
have
we
mobile.
should have by the help of that mobile phone we can do the money easily. And don't you know about it, there are Paytm. If we are making the payment by the Paytm, so we can getting the cashless, like 100% discount or sometimes 50% discount. So somehow it is good for us, and that's why our government is trying to create a cashless economy would be there. So like there are illiterate people, as Chetna has told us already. So they don't know. I agree they don't know how to use the cashless economy, how to use the mobile. But when it would be mandatory to use them, so they have to use. They have to try to know that how we are using this thing, or how we should use. Because it would be mandatory for them. Without using them, how they will live your life. So thank you.
Yes, Mohit, well done.
So a very grateful good morning to all of you. Today I am in the favor of that cashless economy is bad. So basically first we should know that what is cashless economy. So basically cashless economy is that economy by which the two persons can transact their money privately through Paytm or Paytm gateway. Also by a plastic card, you may call it as ATM card. So by this line you can understand like plastic card. As we all know that plastic harms our country, also our environment day by day. So it's not a good thing. Second, the thing, I'm accepting your points that there are many advantages of that, but the thing which exists, it has also demerits also. Its demerits also exist. So my first demerit is literacy rate, as my companion said. So I'm putting my points at behalf of that. Like literacy rate is not only about the persons who are illiterate or they should mandate, if they have mandated to use, they will use. It's also that the village, the rural area which don't have the electricity, clean water, and
Which doesn't have
clean water and that kind of facilities which a rural area should have. So how you can expecting that the internet connection
Rural area.
So how will you expecting that rural area will have technology or internet connection for them by using, because we all know that this transaction is only used by internet. So it's a big drawback of this. Second, like corruption rates and hacking. As we all know, the computer, the machines which exist, there is 110% chance that it will hack. Like by putting some chip, you can hack something. Also, it's not about today's date or when the countries are being in cashless economy. It's going from 10 years or 20 years previous times. Like the ATMs machines were hacked. It's also a computerized. So by this also you can understand that how the cashless economy or digital economy is harmful for human body and also for country and for world. Thank you.
What? Yes.
Can you counterattack now?
Now you can.
Okay. So as my companion said, what is your name, brother? Mohit. As my Mohit companion said, about the plastic harms the most to the environment. As I would love to say to you that the money you are using in cash, they come from the tree. You are just
They come from tree.
They come from the tree, and you must know that the tree are very left where jungle.
जंगल ही बोल सकते हो, forest बोल सकते हो.
The forests are very less in India now, and also in the world. You can see the carbon dioxide, the pollution is being increased because you are just cutting the trees.
Cutting the trees.
You are just cutting the tree for making money in a cash. So I will also your second point. You speak about the corruption. I would love to say to you that the corruption happens most above 90%. In the cash, because there is no accident of cash. Where is cash going? No one knows that where is the cash. Also the black money you can hide. You must have seen the many of the people, they just keep money to himself. They don't pay tax. So it becomes
themselves.
Black money. It becomes when there is a cash. When the digital money will be there, so no one will be able to steal money from the government as in the face of tax. And you will also see that it will vary evasion to difficult the tax. When you will go to the digital, so government is gonna just keep eyes on the all money. No one will be able to just steal the tax from the government. When everyone would pay the tax, so you must see the development. And now we say that India is a developing country. After some years, India will become developed country.
Yes, Chetan. Chetna.
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much again for giving me the time.
Raise your
So
voice.
here, I would like to say to the Pankaj, as you were
To
saying
Pankaj.
that if you will use the cashless transaction, it means your money or your things can easily get stolen. So here I consider with your point, but there is some difference. Between,
I
like, if
accede
you
with
are-
your points.
I accede with your point, but here you can take the example of one thing. Like if I am using the cashless transaction, you are using the liquid cash, right? You have liquid cash in your hand. So obviously, if person will go to snatch your money, so there is the most of the possibility go with me. It means go with the cashless person. And another point I would like to say to Aisha, yeah. So you were saying that if government will introduce this
If government
policy,
introduces,
so this will become a compulsion to you. You have to use this thing. I agree with this thing, but here you should understand one thing also, that as I already mentioned that here we in India we have most of the rural areas.
Rural.
Area where people are illiterate.
illiterate.
There is compulsion to use them, to having them use this new technology, but in twinkling of an eye you cannot habitual to use this. It will take a lot of time because we are used to use the cashless policies. And if they will introduce us to that you have to use this new policy, it will take a lot of time. And if there is compulsion and if there is any exigency to use something, so how they will use? Because they are not capable though, and they are not habitual to use this cashless transaction. So I would like to say.
Yes. Kamesh.
Hello, my dear friends. You all know. Today, I want first of all I want to put my point. After that, I am going to ask some question to you all. First of all, the because of digital mode, the quick transaction is going to take place. After that, the transport charge is going to be less, because if you are getting a debt from any other person, means you want to pay after, because with the interest. But in digital mode, you can take the credit card. For example, you can take the credit card. In credit card, they are providing 45 days without interest. Okay, here you want to know one thing. After that, you should know one thing. After that, if you are going to use a digital mode, means you will get a cashback. I am not saying that for each and every transaction you will get cashback. They also, if they are providing for each and every transaction, means the company going to face a loss. Okay,
Company is going to
face a loss. So that they are providing some offers. If you are going to transact if you are going to transact more than 5 times, you will get 5 rupees, 10 rupees, maximum 50 rupees. Okay. Here you want to one more thing. If you are going to recharge your mobile 3 times, means you will get a 150 cashback. Okay. Here I want to say my example also. I will get a 1000 rupees cashback in Paytm. I know you will not believe that. I will have a proof also. Because of digital mode only, I have proof. After that, we will get a proper interest, because each and every people going to put their
each and every
money,
person.
Each and every person going to put their money in a bank, so they will get a proper interest also.
Yes.
Sir, now I want to ask question, sir.
Yes.
Manish, you said there is no securities not there in a digital mode. How you can say that? Because each and every transaction, after that, they will send one message to you. Okay, this transaction is done by you or not. If the time you will click that link, means that this transaction is not done by me, means that the money will return to you within a 15 days. Okay, here you want to note this. After that,
You should know.
You should know. So you should know that. After that, I want to ask you also. You are saying that if you have a money, means there is no fear for stealing. Then what about the snatching? You know that in our India the snatching rate is maximum 20%. I don't know the exact, but I am saying 20% is there. After that, you are saying that the plastic is inimical for us.
Yes, and for the country as well.
In our whatever, you are saying nowadays the people are using not plastic. Everyone using the plastic. That the plastic card is like it is so short, so it is not inimical for. Because whenever we used to burn a plastic, means that time only it is inimical for us. Okay, I know that it going to affect the land fertilization. After that, because of the digital mode, we can know the corruption
fertilization.
Sir.
Yes.
Because of the digital mode, the corruption is going to be decreased. Because everyone get fear to get corruption.
Gets.
So thank you.
Wallach. Yes, Manish.
I want to reply to the Mr. Kamesh.
Okay.
First of all, you have replied me that how can I say that?
I would like to speak with respect to the point of Kamesh.
I would like to speak with respect to the point of Kamesh. As you said that, how can I say that cashless economy don't have a security. First of all, we all know very well that how the ATM works. And in ATM, we can easily put some devices which can hack your money in couple of minutes. And also you're saying that transactions which can lead to every OTP, and we get the OTP, and after next couple of minutes we get the confirmation that our money has received or sent. First, and then you must have already heard about the OLX scam, which is generally held in India nowadays. That the sender send you a QR code which you have to scan, and then in couple of minutes your whole money has gone. And second point, I would like to with respect to the Aisha that she said that. We better know that what the Paytm is and how it works. Firstly, and as you said that we should implement first, and then we should and then people have to use this system. Firstly, we should go with the history that when the debit card and credit card was held in India, was planted in India, that 30% of the Indians has lose their money, but they don't have the knowledge that where their money has gone. Today also their pension has stopped. If they ask to the government offices tell to the people that their money is in the bank. But when they go to the bank, the bank clearly, crystal and clear, says that there is no money of yours, there is no pension of yours. Now I want to ask you that question: how much secure is the system is?
Pankaj wants to
So
reply.
as Chetna was saying that, in a rural area, they are not using cashless. So I would like to say that in my family, my parents are not using cashless.
But through
because
digital mode, they are not making the payment.
they are not making the payment. So because my parents is not educated, so after the 5 years, 7 years, there will be a child or children. They will be a use a digital mode. So we can't say that we are not using a cashless. We are using, and as we know that 75.
We are not making the payment through digital mode.
We are not making
The payment through
digital mode.
digital mode.
Digital mode. So as we know,
Like net banking is there, na? Net banking.
as we know that lots of people they collected money at home. They were not paying the tax to the government. So now in 2014.
In 2014.
In 2014, government took an action against those people.
Took an action.
Who are not paying the tax to the government. So government announced the digitalize the money. So and government is forcing to the people to use this platform. We can get then there is a transparency of the cashless.
Yes. Money.
I would like to tell you about your respective answer. Okay, like you are cashless. Okay, like person are thipping स्पर्श को क्या बोलते हैं? Wallet, yes. Wallet by being a cash. Okay, like if you have like open your account like digital. Okay, so if some person hack your account, then how will you like complain for your account? Who will theft your money? Like if you have keep your money in your wallet, some money will be theft. Okay, not whole money, but in your account, if some person hack your account, then how much
Hacks your account.
Then whole money will be theft. Okay, I will like to tell you about your answer. Like we are cutting tree for making cash. Okay, like we are sleeping on bed, we are also cutting tree for that. We are making a chair, table, we are also cutting for that. Only for cash you can not say. Okay,
Very good.
only that.
Our country is being developed day by day. So as you all know about the online shopping, right? So now when we are going to make a payment by the cash. So there is no surety, there is no like their shopkeeper is not going to give you any surety card or any some people are there who is giving you the slip of the what we can say that slip, but everybody is not going to give you, like when you are purchasing any stuff from there. So if there is fault with that stuff and you are going them again to I purchase this and I want to exchange this, so there is possibility that the shopkeeper is not ready to take that refund. But when you come on the online, okay, where you are going the payment by the using digital payment, so there
Digital mode.
yeah, digital mode. So that time you have surety that I have paid that much amount to you, and if I am having some issue, if I am having some problem with my product, so you have to exchange it. Or also it's going on very smoothly, like online payment, online there are Flipkart, Amazon are there. If they are giving you time within 7 months, within 7 day or 15 day, there is a return policy. You can return your
15
product.
days.
Yeah, 15 days you can return your product and you will back your money. But this is
You will
not happening.
get your money back.
Give your money
Get-
back.
get your money
Get
back.
your money back. But it is not possible at all to that shopkeeper will give you money to back. This is not possible.
Yes. Manish.
I would like to go with respect to your point. As you said that the shopkeeper will not give you any receipt or any slip which can prove that that we have bought something, brought some stuff from this. But I would like to tell you or inform you that in Amazon and Flipkart, which are the big multinational companies, online companies, which never exchange the money and will recently I have made a payment through Amazon that I have to buy a shirt, but
I had to buy
the shirt, but when I received, the color of the shirt was not what I liked it, so I decided to send back to the Amazon. The sir मतलब जो देने आते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं?
Oh, delivery boy.
And then the delivery boy came and take it to them. But 1 month has gone and I have not received.
When 1 month passed.
1 month has passed and I have not received any
I
of
did
the,
not. I
any
did
of the
not.
message or any of the shirt which I have booked. And
Which I booked.
and for that reason only I have to cancel my payment.
I had to.
I had to cancel my booking. So have you any proof of this, that in online system and cashless system there is no accountability of this?
I think you are exceptional case for that. I am the person who
okay.
always make the like that payment. But if you are talking about the Amazon, so it is a very multinational company, you can say.
Yeah.
For like I can say you did some wrong there. That's why maybe you did something wrong. You don't know about that.
Okay.
That's why because I also tried this thing. The same situation happened with me always. But within 2 days, you can say he came and returned that product, and after within 2 days he came again and gave me the another product.
Gave me
the another product. So it is not, maybe you are an exceptional case. That's why this situation happened with you.
I
Happened
agree
to
to
you.
you that I may be the exceptional case, but 20% of the Indians cannot. 20% of Indians face this problem with the Amazon, Flipkart, all over the online shopping
I
apps.
haven't faced yet. Have you any proof?
But you
which
don't get
can
the
show
20% of
that?
Indians.
Listen,
I am talking about the 20% of Indians all over the
You
year.
are also coming
Yes,
that
yes,
20% Indian, na? You are so
Now you are totally
Check.
going out of the topic. Here we are talking about the digital economy. Okay, so as I would love to sir, just put some light on your speech as you gave before about about the birds. When the towers will be there, internet will be there, so birds will be killing as they
Will be killed.
will be killed. So do you have any kind of proof?
Yes,
Just
of course.
Listen to me. First, listen to me.
Okay.
Okay. So you are giving this bullshit speech just by seeing one
Preposterous.
movie.
Preposterous.
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 You are giving this speech by the seeing just the movie 2.0. Yeah, yes or not?
Yes.
You see, but
Chetan.
but you don't have done.
Chetna.
There is a.
Sir, I want to answer.
हाँ चेतन, let Chetan complete. हाँ.
There is a. I agree that it harms when the tower limit and the radiation go out of the control, and when it goes out of their limit, but they don't let it go. They just keep in their limits, and they just also we are having the internet. Have you felt it is happening because of the technologies? You can see the refrigerators, the ACs, air conditioner rooms, air conditioner office, the government office, the private office, everything is being air conditioner. So these are the harms of that, not of the towers.
But we are here to-
Yes. Ruk jao.
Sir.
Chetan.
Yes, Pankaj. So, Chetan, as you were saying that he is going out of the topic. So, first of all, you need to understand you all are just beating the bush. And second point, as you are just blowing the smoke all your points, so you should understand first thing also, as you mentioned, Aisha, that if we use if we do the cashless things like we are doing the payments in Amazon or Flipkart, so it is not the daily basis thing. Daily basis thing, it means you are selling, you are purchasing the vegetable fruits. And here, if you are doing these regular things, so in that visit which you will get from the cashless economy, so there is no written down that you are purchasing the vegetable or whatever you are purchasing. So what you will do that time? You
If you are-
cannot say that person. You cannot again return to that person to vegetable seller that hello, I have bought the potato from your side. Obviously, you can also. There is also not surety of that thing. And as one thing I would also like to say, as you were just mentioning your point and you are just praising the cashless policy, so here you need to one thing also, it means going to cashless policy, it means you always have to depend your phone. You also have to carry your phone with you, because without phone you cannot do any transaction. And another point I would like to say, it means that if you are going to cashless policy, it means you have to purchase a device also. Without phone, it means you are nothing. And if you, as you were mentioning that if you will go do the cashless things, it means you will get a discount. It means you will become greedy. And just because of you, for example, you don't need to do anything, but you are getting the discount from that particular thing, so you will do because you want that 5 rupees discount. That's why you will do. It will become you the greediness, na. So what is the exigency of using the cashless policy? Just tell me.
If you're making the payment of basic things through digital mode.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
May I answer?
Yes, you can.
Kamesh.
First of all, you are saying that we will not able to get if I am going to pay in digital mode, means we will not able to know what I am buying. First of all, you want to understand one thing. In that digital mode, you can take Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. The receipt option going to be there. There you want to mention one thing. If I am going to buy a mobile phone or vegetable, there you want to write it. That is up to your mistake.
You should.
You should write. Okay. After that, I don't know what is
Money. Apna sabko money.
Money said that the hacking problem is there. First of all, you want to understand one
You
thing.
should.
You should. So sorry for that, sir. I'm not getting that.
You should.
You should understand one thing. If our bank account, my bank account is going to be hacked, means that is not my responsibility, because the responsibility all belongs to bank. If I'm going to ask to bank, means I have 20,000, but now the amount is not there. What happened? That is their responsibility. If in my wallet I have a money, means
I have money
means anyone going to steal my money, means that is
Steal.
my responsibility. Okay.
Sir.
After that, just complete.
Huh. Let him finish.
After that, here I want to give one example, best example.
Yeah.
You are saying that literacy rate is totally down. So I am not saying totally down, that literacy rate is down. So that everyone not able to run the digital mode. Here you can take the technology. When the technology introduced exists here in our era, that time nobody know to run the technology. But
Nobody
they
knew.
knew to run the technology. But today, that small kid also able to run the technology, because you are saying that if it is going to exit, means each and everyone get interest to do that work, whatever they want to do, they are able to do that.
They are able to.
They are able to do that. This is my point.
Yes, Mohit.
So, very good point said by my companion. Like, first I will want to answer your questions, who have answered questions me. Like, first, Chetan, Mr. Chetan.
Raise your
said-
voice. Be incandescent while speaking.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. So first, my friend Chetan said to me that trees going to be less by making money, and also the plastic harms the environment more. So when the tree is cutting, you also know that trees have
When
plant-
trees are being cut या फिर are cut.
when one tree is being cut, then the 1,000 trees were planted. Are planted, but by making the plastic and by making the plastic it's harmful, and by dispatching it, it's also harmful for environment. After you all were talking about online shopping, so I think that you haven't listened about the news about the 3 months before that Amazon company has a very बहुत बड़ा घाटा हो गया.
Okay, they got gargantuan impairment or loss.
They get gradual impairment in their
Monumental loss.
On their business, only because they are not able to transact the money to their customer, means refund to their customers. This is recently news about past 3 months ago. So by which, because of some connective issue or some we don't know hacking issue, they the all refunds or the money, the transaction between a customer and the Amazon department or their company is being stopped in between, and the transactions stopped from customer sides also and company side also. So it's a big demerit, drawback of cashless economy, and the company has lost their 200 approximately 220 crore money in this crisis. And also you were saying about that by roaming here and there, or when just you are going anywhere and someone steal your money. Okay? Steals your money. I'm agree. But what about that people who are?
What about those people?
But about those people who are hacking you in online? That can't be arrested. Even you don't know who is hacking your money, who is the money, where the money yours going. There's also a big drawback of this. And second, you are talking about crime. Crime are happening.
Crimes are happening.
Crimes are happening. Cyber crimes are at 2 stages by doing cash payment. So that crimes were at 2 points at very
by making the payment by cash.
By making the payment of cash. But the crimes happened more in cashless economy, because even if I talk about corruption rate by taking bribe, the traffic man is also taking up ATM machine for taking bribe. So it's not that thing that you are. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Pankaj.
So again we are discussing about these points. So I would like to say that we are blaming to cashless economy. So it's a good for the our society or the India, because we can increase our the GDP. So we can increase the opportunity. So you are saying that we can hack the data very easily. So I would like to say that if you have a cash, there is a possibility they can get your money. Means they can store your money.
Steal your money.
Steal your money easily. So we can't compare the data. There is a possibility in this criteria, in this field. There is a possibility in the cashless economy. We can't say that. And the second the point is.
Second point is.
And the second point is, as you know, and my question is that we are blaming that cashless is not good. All are, according to my perspective, all are using digitalized payment. So why are you using? You should ignore the payment and you should give a money as a cash.
This is a government implement on us. So this point is not matter in this topic, because the government is the supreme power to make the people.
This has been introduced by the government.
If you are going some shop and you don't have money, and all you have money, and the shopkeeper needs online payment, so you have to give online payment. I'm not talking about that thing that cash should be made. I'm talking that the government making that this thing to becoming a country digitalized. That's illegal. That's I'm saying.
Yes, Kamesh.
I want to answer your question. First of all, that is a good question. You all are putting the same point again and again, the hacking.
Okay.
Before itself, I said that if anyone going to hack my account, means that is their bank responsibility. Okay, you want to understand.
You should understand.
You should understand one thing. After that, you are saying that the traffic police also getting corruption by digital mode. Okay, but because of digital mode, they are having a soft proof. Okay.
By
They are
taking a
putting
bribe. By taking a
no,
bribe,
they are getting a proper.
taking a bribe.
Here you want to understand one thing, okay?
You should.
You should. Sorry,
Uh-huh,
sorry,
go
sir.
ahead.
You should understand one thing. they are in digital mode, they are getting the proper fine only. Okay, because by the cash only, in the cash, because of the help of the cash only, they are getting corruption. Okay, if they are going to charge the corruption in the digital mode, means their job going to be lost.
Take the bribe.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Chetna.
Okay, so Kamesh, as you were saying that we are just again putting the same points because we want to make you understand, but still you have just shut your mind and you don't want to understand our point. That's why we have to speak again and again the same points. And as you were saying, that is not our responsibility if our money gets stolen. How you can say this? Making a money is not easy. Okay, if you, for example,
Making money.
making money is not easy. If your 30,000 gets stolen by someone, will you not worried? But that time what you said that it is not my
Won't you
responsibility.
be
Government should take care of this
worried?
thing.
Won't you?
Won't you be
May I
worried?
answer?
No, you cannot because this is my point.
Yes.
Okay, you can continue.
You
Yes,
can
yes,
point
yes.
after some time.
Okay.
As you were saying, Pankaj, yeah. So you were saying that if you will use the cash.
If you use.
If you use the cash practice, so your money, of course, your money will get stolen, but in less quantity. So first, I would like.
ऐसे ही
to
हो
make
सकता है
you
if payments
understand-
are just being made by cash.
Yeah, so I would like to make you understand one thing, that if you have 20,000 in your pocket, okay, and someone is stolen your money, so that person will snatch your money 20,000, and if your phone lost, for example, your phone get lost, so he will left 10,000 for you. Then no money, Pankaj will need 10,000, so I should left 10,000, and I will
I
only
should
spend
leave.
10,000.
I should leave.
He will snatch the all things,
Ma'am,
and no, and you were saying that you are just praising the cashless practice. So here, if your phone get lost, so what you will do? You will
Listen,
you
I
will
will
feel
wait.
Okay,
trouble,
let
that
Chitna
time you
finish.
feel trouble. So you should mention this point also. And you were just mentioning, so you should involve the whole India because we are talking about the whole India.
Whole India.
You are literate, we know. You are educated, I know. But you should mention those area also who is not illiterate.
Those
You are not.
areas.
You cannot only mention your side also.
Only.
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
Chetan.
Yes.
Listen to me. I would love to explain you one thing that all this thing is not gonna happen in a one night.
All these things.
It's not gonna happen in one night. It will take some months, years. And as your points were about the what will you do when your phone will be stolen, when it will fall. Hold on. So I would love to explain you that thing. The mobile phone is not a one way to do transaction. You have many plastic card, credit card, debit card, and the many wallets are also there. So when your mobile phone will not be there, so you can use debit card, credit card also. And I would love to tell you one thing that in this kind of an era, the people are loving to do their transaction by the online. In the COVID era, no one is willing-
People love to
People
do
love
the
to
transaction
People love to transaction by
through
the
digital
way.
mode.
By the digital way. So in a COVID era, you would see that no one is willing to touch anything and anyone. So the digital is playing a very big role nowadays. And also I would love to bring some point. I am bored about the bullshit point about what you are speaking.
Instead of using bullshit, you need to use preposterous,
Preposterous.
redundant, dispensable points such as being
About your
spoken.
dispensable points, I am just tired up. So I would love to put some new points about the terrorism. How the terrorism happened. From there they get money.
Where it
Can
happened?
anyone tell me?
Ah.
I can tell
So
you. Being a transaction of weapons or taking
You
the
don't know.
weapons,
You don't
they-
know. They get money from the havalas, and from where havalas get money, the
Brother,
people. The
brother,
people.
they do digital transaction by which no one can hack him or sir कोई पे नजर ना रख सके.
No,
So that no one could keep their eyes.
Just
No
give a
one
time
keep
to
their
my
eyes.
teammates.
On
Yes,
them.
But your partner said.
Let
your
me
partner
complete.
said-
Let him complete.
Let him complete.
The people who are supporting to the terrorism, they just give money to the hawala. The person as you are supporting, you just have to give him, and the friend of his, the partner, whatever you can say. I will give to that person who are just spreading terrorism. Because of the most of the corruption, terrorism, criminal activities, the weapon buying, the human trafficking, the child trafficking. All these things, criminal activities happen because of the cash. When digital way will be there, so government eye will be on the money, where the money is going and where is being spent.
Where it is being spent.
where is being spent, where is it being spent? The every single rupees will be in the eye of the government. So when it will be happen, so the
When
terrorism
it will happen, or
when it will happen, so terrorism will be stopped properly. This is the point you need to understand. Just don't beat around the bush.
Bush,
Okay?
bush,
First of all,
yes, yes.
Don't beat.
First of all,
Don't prevaricate, don't equivocate.
Don't equivocate.
I would like to go with the question of respect to Mr. Chetan.
Chetan.
But you said that terrorism is going to be held in cash economy, right? But what about the dark web? The terrorism gets their all of the weapons through the dark web, because dark web is the only site where terrorists can buy it easily. It is cashless because because the weapons are going to be delivered to your home wherever you want. And third point, you said that it is a dispensable point. First of all, you are also saying that this, terrorism is going to be there, child trafficking, human trafficking. All of these done by the transactions.
All these crimes.
All these crimes are done by the transactions of the of cashless. It's like internet banking and
Through digital mode.
Through digital
if
mode.
payment is just being made.
If payment is just being made, so how can you say that if India cannot that cashless economy cannot lead to the terrorism?
So
Yes, Aisha.
Yeah, I would like to say something to Chetina, as you already told us that if we are using digital payment, so like Paytm, you give the example, like Paytm give you the the amount, means we can say the discount 5 rupees or 10 rupees. So if like you are telling that we are greeding, for that we are making ourselves greeding. So how on the behalf of what we can say? Because everybody love to save their money.
Wants to.
If you are not greedy, so why you prefer to buy your stuff on the Diwali? Because in Diwali there are sale.
On Diwali.
There are sale. You are getting the huge discount. And I would like to say the another point. As you already acquainted with this thing, there are.
As you have already been acquainted.
As you have already been acquainted with this thing, that international not transaction, it's a business, what we call business.
Business?
International transport.
Transport.
Yeah, transport or business we
Transport
can say.
नहीं, मतलब export and import.
Yeah, export and import are there.
International
Like,
trade.
International trade are there. Like if we are India want to purchase something to USA or want to purchase something to the China or any other country. So in that part-time situation, what we will do? We will go there to personally to give them money to that I want to purchase this. Just take money or give me your stuff. No, we are not doing like that. Instead of that, we want to save our time. We want to save our time. That we in that situation we are doing the digital payment. Like we are by sitting at home, we are doing the payment, and after 2 days or for some days, I don't know about that, your stuff will be at your home or at your place. So it is good for me according to my conviction. We are saving our time. We are saving our everybody's time. It's a very precious time we are saving. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, money.
First of all, I want to make you understand that what is a hacking. Okay, if some person hacking your account, that means he is access your account. He
can easily access.
He can easily access your account. It means he took your access of your account. That means bank will not take your responsibility. Okay, because it is taken from your bank account. Okay, some person has been taken your account access. Okay, like there are many big businessmen who has been hacked. Okay, and they are not able to take back.
Whose accounts have been hacked, no?
Yes, whose account has been hacked, and they are not able to bring back their money. Okay, like and
They are not able to get their money back.
Yes, they are not able to get their money back, and you are saying that digital money is saving your time. It means it is improving terrorism also. Like they want also saving their times. Okay, they can easily transfer their money from other accounts, so it makes it increase terrorism more. Okay.
What I mentioned here, I mentioned.
No, I am saying that.
Just to give me
International
I
trade.
understand.
Yeah, right.
No, I understand.
Just give me
It-
the example
Understood.
of that.
So
I understood. I accepted.
Give me the
Okay.
example of that
No,
related, like
first
if you
let him
want to-
complete, first let
First
Yeah,
let me complete.
I asked
Okay.
the question
It
for that.
save your time. Okay.
It save your time.
It save your time. it means terrorism also want to save their time. Okay, they want.
I'm just
Okay. No, I want to give you answer
I just
because it
realized
saves.
if you
it
want to
saves
go,
your time.
if you
Okay.
want to going to purchase something from USA, how will you purchase?
Okay.
Give me the example.
Okay. If
will you buy the
no,
ticket
if
from
you
here
don't
to-
have phone, okay, if you
I
don't
don't-
have phone, like you have booked auto, okay, you are going
Book
some
an auto.
booked
An auto.
an auto, okay, and your mobile battery has been down, okay, you don't have
Has
ATM
been
card.
exhausted.
ATM card.
Everywhere you
No,
can
no.
find the charger, charger plug.
Yeah.
No, no, in auto.
Arey.
I am saying about auto.
Yes.
If,
After that you will change. So
if
this only this
he
one
doesn't
will
have
lead
charger,
you.
how will you give the money him?
Yes.
How will you give money? How will you give money? If you like going hospital, okay, your mobile battery has been down, okay, you don't have
Has gone down.
ATM card, okay, how will you pay? How will you pay?
Now you are
You-
escalating
Yes.
No, no, I am talking about only digital money.
Ah,
Okay.
yes, Pankaj.
Okay.
Uske baad.
Only we are putting a single point and we are talking unnecessary logic.
Huh.
So first Chetna is saying that
Inconsequential points are just being spoken.
So as Chetna is saying that there is a 20,000 rupees in an account and 10,000 rupees he will get and 10,000 will running it. See, for
Will be there in
will
the
be
account.
there. So
Huh.
according to my perspective, he will steal all the money, and if you have a 2 crore rupees at your home as a cash, that time he will get here all the money. They will not keep the money 1 crore rupees, or we are talking like this. So first I would like to ask a question. Suppose if you are starting a business. Suppose you are starting a business and there is a shop, and you were saying that cashless, we don't need cashless because it's hacked by someone easily. So if you see the data of economic, there is a data of 75% of the cashless, and you are starting a business. Do you think about 25% of the business? 20% 25% है जो कैश का
Huh?
25%.
24% business in cash.
Huh.
Do you work with the 25% of the business? You have to give a salary to the employee, and you have to get a margin from the 25%. So how can you do?
I would like to make you understand first thing. I didn't mention this is that I will not use the cashless transaction. I said because I am educated, I know how I have to use this thing. I know the bad side, I know the good side of the transaction, right? I am talking about those people who is not that much educated or who is not that much acquainted with this thing. I haven't said this thing that I will not use. I will obviously use, but I am just putting my points now. So you should listen properly.
Listen.
Sir, just give me a chance.
Yes,
Sir,
Kamish.
I think so. Till now you didn't open your gateway of bribe. Okay, just I'm giving a 3 seconds to you all. Try to open it. Okay. Here you want to understand. First of all, Chetna, you ask one question to me.
Open
How
them.
you can blame the responsibility to others? Here I want to give one simple example. If I'm going to give 1,000 rupees to you, okay, that time whose responsibility? That is yours. If anyone going to just let me complete, okay? If anyone going to steal money from you means that is
Whose
your
responsibility is
okay?
this to care about it?
That is your responsibility, not mine. Okay, I gave the money very safely. Okay, you want is to just let me complete. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Let Kamish finish.
Okay. After that, you were saying that before some time you said that I ordered something in Amazon, but I ordered one color, but I get a different color. But
I got
a different color. So before you were saying that in dark web, because of that website only, every terrorist is getting whatever weapons. How can you say? Because you are saying that digital mode is bad. How can you say? In digital mode they will provide toys also. No, they will provide toys to them.
What?
You are saying that I ordered one color, but I got some other color.
Yeah.
That case, it will going to happen to them means they are ordering some weapons. Instead, they are getting a toy means. Instead, they will get toy.
Not the frivolous thing said by him.
A t-shirt with the terrorism thing.
First,
you
you
should
should
also
open the
understand.
Yeah, first you should open the gate.
Oh my,
of the
just-
mind.
Manish.
Clearing your mind.
Sir,
Yes,
Manish.
as you said that the Paytm and the Paytm system is very much reliable, and you said that if the person is being hacked with their money, the bank is responsible for their money.
If person's account is just being hacked,
If the person account is just being hacked, the bank is
if money
responsible for this.
is being transferred to another account from his account.
If the money is being transferred from another account to his account, then the bank is responsible of their account. Government is responsible for this, and we all are very well acquainted with it. With this, that how much our government is very well equipped with this scenario. How many of the businessmen and
Sir, wait.
तुम करते रहो.
how many of the businessmen have got their money back? How many of the people have got their money back? How many of the laborers have got their money back? How many of the people have got their pension
Bro,
back?
just a minute. I want to say one thing. Nowadays, the technology is developing. Okay, you are saying that the hacker is going to hack my account, means access my account, means that is not responsible for bank. Okay, here you want to understand if they are
You
going
should
to say
understand.
that. You should understand one thing. If they are going to say that I am not responsible for your hacking, for your whatever did in your bank account, I am not responsible. That time I am going to complain. I am going to file the complaint.
Where?
Just a minute.
Yes,
I am
yes,
going to
yes,
complain
yes.
in a COPS office. Okay.
There is a
Because of technology only, they going to search everything. I'm going to withdraw my money in a ATM means they will check where that time where I was. Okay. If I'm going to be different place, that means it is impossible. Okay. After that, you are saying that I want to ask one more question also. You are saying that if the charge is not going to be there, means how can you pay? I don't know that the ATM system also be there. Okay, everyone can easily carry the ATM
I
card.
told that ATM card also not there. Then
What? Digital mode is the ATM card. How can you say that?
if the
Listen to
person
me,
not
listen to
checking,
me,
then
listen to me,
how will
listen
you
to
give them?
Listen
How
to
will
me,
you give
listen
them?
Oh my God, that means the person didn't forgot to carry his wallet means.
If the
how-
person
how-
doesn't
how-
have
how
money,
you are-
Check.
you are saying that
Arre,
in India, you are saying that you are saying that
Hey.
you forgot to.
In India, it is
Only
possible.
Chetan.
Calm. As my brother, you are just creating situation. Also, I would love to that answer
Yes,
the
because
situation.
in India,
Just-
Arre, don't create cacophony or commotion.
You
Let
are
one
just-
person
you are-
put his
you are
points
just-
clearly.
You are just creating situation. I have answer of this. Don't worry. You are saying that you don't have your phone, you don't have your ATM card, debit card, credit card, the oldest thing.
Neither you have
Neither you have anything.
ATM card, nor you have debit card.
There is an online transaction called YONO SBI. I have the.
How will you call them if
also
your
the
battery has
code
been down?
also.
How will you
There is a cardless withdrawal. Okay. There is a cardless withdrawal. When you will click there, you just have to enter. You just have to enter, and you just have to enter your secure pin, which called MPIN, the secure pin, which you have made before.
Put.
By clicking that, you just take some money and you just pay the bill of that auto person, and auto whatever you are just using the for what you have to pay. And also where is a more possibility to steal money. Hacking the account is not a piece of cake. It's not a child stuff for everyone. No one can steal, but I can steal money from everyone. Everyone.
Sir, I have a
Okay.
question.
I
have a
just
question.
listen to me. Listen to me. Suppose if you are not at your home, then I need one hammer. I have to break down the door and just have to enter and just have to open your door and just have to keep cash from your locker. Okay?
Sir,
Yes. Mohit wants to say something.
Everything.
Yes, I will make you understand.
Arre, only
I think
Mohit.
that you don't
Chetan.
know about the card, the ATM card which bank provides. They also want the premium of that card, which is about like you are shopping about 3,000, so they will take 5,000 or 6,000 from you for charging that card. If you don't have that much money,
If you don't have.
if you don't give money to them, so the card will be like just a plastic card. It's have no value. And second thing, if you are giving the charging of that card from being your payment good to being your payment at a digital payment to the digital payment, so it is by comparing the cash, it is good. Cash will good.
Listen
as
to me.
compared to
Just speaking, but you are just speaking point which doesn't exist now.
Okay, the premium of the card
premium
doesn't
of the card
exist.
just you have
Okay,
to
just take the card and don't pay the premium and just use it. And will the transaction will happen?
Listen to me.
I have a question.
Are you talking about the?
That's it. Finish.